My head hurts. Hi? Who the hell are you? I'm Spider-Man. That's a stupid-ass name. Oh yeah? What's your name then, punk? I'm Chainsaw Man. Very creative, I know. Wow, I couldn't have guessed. Hey, what's that supposed to mean? Stupid spider punk, I'm gonna kill you now. Hey, look, man, I just fought some guy, punched me in the jaw really hard. Sorry for what I said. I don't really want to fight right now, so how about we just, like, not do this? We what? Oh! Man, that fucking hurt. Stupid chainsaw man.